everybody, hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to use dark mode in realme Narzo 20. So let's start our video. So to switch into dark mode, open shortcuts and here we can see the option called dark mode. Just tap on it. Now your phone will be switching to dark mode. Now you see, your phone is being switched to dark mode. You can see here the background is black. And even here the background is black. Dark mode is very useful to us when our battery is very low. And again now I want to switch into again white. So just click, again tap here. Yes, now you see your phone is again being switched into normal. So I thought to make a video on this which is very useful to us. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to receive my videos.